Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Mantisari. Here I would like to tell you about three journals that discuss multicultural issue. The first, I will discuss journal from film Get Out 2017, and second, journal from film Crash 2004, and the third, journal from film Everything Everywhere All at Once 2022. Okay, why I discuss about movie or films? I like to discuss a journal take from the film because I like watching movie. The first journal, the title is Racism and Stereotype in Get Out Movie Script 2019 by Denny Sepna, Nur Hadi, and Hasbi Aksidiki. Published in the GCALL, Journal of Culture, Art, Literature, and Linguistics. Analyzes the film Get Out 2017 using the sociology of literature approach. This approach examines how elements in the text, in this case on this film, reflect on the social and cultural realities of society. The analysis focuses on how the film portrays racism and racial stereotypes, especially in the context of African American characters. The study utilized racism theory by George M. Fredrickson and then stereotype theory by Craig McGarty to analyze the systematic nature of racism and the stereotype against the black people depicted in the film. The research showed that Get Out illustrates how racial discrimination is not only manifested through direct words or actions, but also through subtle social mechanisms such as the perpetuation of stereotypes by the majority society. The film highlights how black individuals are often trapped in the stereotypes and subjected to unfair treatment from the white majority and view themselves as superior. Second, the journal, the title is Using the Film Crash to Promote a Multicultural Identity in Student 2006. Author by S. McLean discussed the film Crash 2004, directed by Paul Hawkins, as a tool to promote understanding of multicultural identity among students. And this film, set in the Los Angeles, addressed issues such as stereotypes, prejudice, and racial tensions in a multicultural society. McLean employs a quantitative case study approach to analyze the film's effectiveness in exploring social and culture issues. And then, drawing from the multicultural theory, the study highlights how the film can help students understand the dynamic of the race and culture. The results of the study show that a crash is an effective educational tool for facilitating discussion of racial conflict and cultural diversity, helping students develop a more inclusive and empathetic perspective toward people from different cultural backgrounds. Okay, the third journal, the title is Chinese American Liminality in Everything Everywhere All at Once 2022 by Alexi Wahyu Diputra and Antonius Rahmat Pujo Purnomo 2022, that published in the ELS Journal on the Interdisciplinary Studies in Humanities, Volume 5 and Number 4. Analyze the film Everything Everywhere, All at Once 2022 from multicultural perspective. The researchers use textual and contextual analysis methods, applying Homi-Kababa theory of liminality along with the Taoist concept of the Wu Wei. The study focused on how the main characters, Evelyn and Joy, represent Chinese American diasporic identities that are caught between two cultural worlds. The findings suggest that the film serves as an allegory of the diasporic experience, highlighting identity conflict that arise from the navigating hybrid cultural space. However, it also promotes an ethical message of self-acceptance and the importance of non-violence as a way to adapt and survive cultural tension. Okay, that is from me. Thank you for watching. See ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.